Ito guys, olive. Wow, what that? Nice. This one about 15 years. 15 years old, more than that. Yeah. Ooh. They have a lot of ants, man. I need to clean it up, this one. Oh. Hello mga kabonsai! Dito ngayon tayo. Magtuturo ko kayo part 2. Ngayon, ang dami ng dahon. Everything is green. I will show you one at a time. Here's my elm. Here's like, look at this, is very very small leaves. Ito ano, Chinese elm. Focus mo lang ha, paki-focus. Look at this. Very tiny leaves. That's a nice one. Yeah. This is a forest elm. You're gonna go over here. This one is a forest elm. Look at this. Same thing, very very tiny leaves. They're looking good. Yeah. All this section is Chinese elm, and this one too. Look at this. Wow. Nakita mo ha? Focus. Over here ha? Here's another elm. Yan, puro elm yan. Look at this. Stable lang. Yes. That's a Chinese. Yeah. Yes. Wow, very tiny leaves. I like it. And look at this. Oh. Look at this. Oops.
Anong style siya?
Nakita mo maganda. Yes. Elm. Yes, it's Chinese. Yeah. Yan. Wala na yung yan ha. Ito isa, maganda. Japanese maple. And Japanese maple. Ito siguro mga 20 years na siguro to. Dito, bala ko dito i-root. Ano ko dito? Ano tawag doon? Ayan. Japanese maple din sa green. Yes. It's elm. Ayan o. Forest. Like a penjing style. Tingnan mo doon sa ilalim, penjing style yan. Doon sa loob. Yan. Yung bago to. Yung isa naman, elm root over the rock. Pakita mo yung roots. Yung rock. Yan, root over the rock. Yung pa sa taas, oh. Nasira nga lang yan, pero nabalik na. Ang Japanese maple. Yan. Isang jarangka, jankara. Ano ba yan? Janarangka. Kung sino gusto bumili, aray ko. Other elm. I have a lot of elm. Elm. Ito, Trident Maple. Yan, siguro mga ano na yan. More than 10. This one, Japanese Maple again. Try this one. This one. Ito yung ano, Japanese Maple forest type. Yan. Yan. Listo na siya. Ayan. Ito. Trident Maple. Forest type. Look at that. Ito. Tinetrain ko pa lang ito. Japanese Maple. Ayan, isa. Japanese Maple Forest type. It's on training right now. Tinetrain ko siya sa yun. No? Ficus. Wow. Nakasurvive siya ng winter na. Dami ng ano. Dami na shoot. Guna yan. Yan. Oh, wow. Wisteria. Oh, dahil niyang bulaklak, oh. Ang dami niyang buds right now. Eh. Yan. Bubulak na yan. Within maybe next week, bubukan na yan. Ayan. Update ko kayo dyan. Bubukan, ganda niyan. Ito. Ito, Japanese Maple. Yan. Itong isang to, titrayin ko, Trident Maple. Trident Maple. Okay na siya. Ito guys, olives, oh.
Sabihin mo hindi mabuhat.
Hindi mabuhat, mabigat. Ito, ang the best. Ito, sweet gum o liquid amber. Liquid amber. Wow. Look at that. Man, this one like. Yeah.
Anong height yan?
Ito, kasing taas ko na.
5 feet.
Yun, olive. Ito, ano to? Trident Maple, another liquid amber. Look at this. Very nice. Ano yun? Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you nga pala sa nag-subscribe, and thank you for your watching. Thank you very much. I'll see you. Thank you.